Good morning, boys. How are you? Today we will take the third lesson in this unit, which is rotation. Before we start our lesson, we are going to see some slides about the previous lesson, which was translation. In this slide, you can notice that he wants me to find the coordinate of the figure under the given translation. RS with endpoint R 1 -3 and S -3 2 along the translation vector 2 -1. Of course, here we must add 2 to the X coordinate and subtract 1 from the Y coordinate. As you can see here, the answer will be R3 -4 and S -1 1. We have also some slides for the same idea, all of them about translation. I'm not going to spend a lot of time about this, and I am going to start my lesson rotation. In this lesson, we have some new vocab like center of rotation and angle of rotation. As you know, rotation means to turn the point or turn the figure, and when we turn this figure, it will stay the same. The shape will not change. And when we rotate, we must rotate this figure according to a point. This point can be the origin of the coordinate plane or can be another point. In algebra, we studied rotation, if you remember. We have three kinds of rotation. Rotation 90 degrees, rotation 180 degrees, and rotation 270 degrees. When we make rotation 90 degrees, as you see here, the coordinate of any point xy will become negative yx. You are going to change the places between x coordinate and y coordinate, and you must make y coordinate negative. Like here, this example, you can see that point P52, when I make rotation for it 90 degrees, it become P dash. I change between the 2 and 5. 5 is x coordinate, become y coordinate, and 2, which is y coordinate, become x coordinate. And I make this 2 negative. This when I make rotation 90 degrees. Rotation 180 degrees is very simple. Why? Because only you change the sign of the x coordinate and y coordinate. Any point xy will become negative x, negative y. Like here, P52, when I rotate it 180 degrees, P dash will become -5, -2. The third kind of rotation is rotation 270 degrees, like this one. When we make rotation 270 degrees, any point has coordinate xy will become y -x. Like 90 degrees, here we are going to change between x coordinate and y coordinate, but this time we will make x coordinate negative.